Alright, today we're not doing any kind of reviews, but for this video we're gonna try to resize this San Martin SN0116, and we're gonna be using this little screwdriver that's provided by San Martin to resize this watch. Now we've opened the watch box from San Martin and we're greeted with this watch. We'll just take the plastic off and we'll work on removing this bead of rice bracelet using this screwdriver. Just right before we move to the removing of the links on this one, quick wrist check. I have with me this 𝐀𝐟𝐟𝐢𝐥𝐢𝐚. This is the white MOP dial, 40 millimeters, so it looks a bit the same like the IWC, but you can see there it's a nice MOP dial, white in color. There you go. And so typically for a wrist size as mine, I have a 6.5 inch wrist, so let me just check it out first. Typically I remove at least 4 to 5 links, so depending on the size of her hand. I kind of know already because I've been removing a lot of bracelets for my other watches, so I kind of know how many links I need to remove. But just for context, let's check it out and see. Probably make an eyeball estimate. So if this is 2, this one goes here. So yeah, let's try 4 and then we'll check it out and see if we need to remove one more link from this one. There is also a micro adjust here, so we'll see if we need to remove that amount of links. So let's do it. So now from this side, I'm going to remove 2 links. So we'll start from here to remove 2. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It's a little bit difficult to move that, but I'm going to unscrew this one first. Just move it slowly so you don't put scratches on your San Martin. And remove 1 screwdriver, and then we'll remove 2, right? So this one and this one, I need to remove it from here. So let's see if I can remove it with my hand. Okay, now 2 links removed. The cool thing about this vintage looking piece is that these are like real beads, right? So they're individual beads, as you can see. They split into individual beads of rice, which is pretty cool. Then you just put them back, put these aside again where it fits. This is where you try to find a spot. There we go. It's inside now. Then we'll just screw it back in. Okay. Now we're screwing it back in. And there we have it. Now we're done with this one. Now let's remove from this side. So the screws are going to be from this side. So let's just do that. From here first. Top. Okay, now it's removed. Next one will be from in here. Oh, sorry, can't see that. It's a bit difficult to focus on removing and then still be able to make sure that you guys can see it on the camera. So forgive me if I might lose the focus a little bit. There we have it. So see, 2 links. So a total of 4 links removed. And then we'll just put it back in again, just like that, and screw it back in with the this screw. Screw that back in. Now we've removed a total of 4 links using the screwdriver. Now let's check it on the wrist if it fits correctly. Go. It's fine, but I think I need to tighten it a little bit. So let's see here. It's an easy adjust in here. So let's push that. Go inside. There we go. And let's see if that one is okay now. Push it a little bit inside, and it seems that we got just the right fit now. And there we have it. Hope that was helpful. If you do own any of these San Martins, do let me know, or this particular model. This is actually quite a nice vintage look, so hopefully that is helpful to you if you do have the same wrist size as mine. So it's very easy to adjust here. Push that in, and you can keep pushing there, but there's only a limit as to, oh, yeah, there we go, there, and one more, there, go, it locks in place. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Have a look out on the review of this one soon on the channel. Leave a link on the description below as well for you who wants to get a hold of these. But thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like the channel and share it with your friends. And also join us on Reddit so we can, have some just casual conversations in there we love. And you can just share what you're wearing, or any day of the week. You can just share your new watch acquisition or something that you're eyeing to get. But thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.